So here you can see student table. So if we need to check what are all the data present in student table, let's run it. So you can see there are two records, that is Ajit and Rekha's. So now suppose if you want to see the state of this table, let's say 1 hour before, or let's need to check the state of the table before some minutes. So we can use this statement like select star from our data set and the table name for system time as timestamp. Then the timestamp subtract current timestamp interval. Let's give interval as we need to check before 7 minutes. So when I run it, you can see there were three datas. Before 7 minutes, there were three datas, and after that, Aman's data was deleted. So now, if I run this query for present, it is giving only two records. But when I run this query, I mean, if you want to fetch the table before 7 minutes, we want to check the data of the table before 7 minutes. If we give this query, I mean, if we run this query, it will give us three data because table was having three data. So timestamp subtract is a function. It subtract the timestamp, which is basically we are subtracting the interval 7 minutes from the current timestamp. So with the use of time travel, we can create a snapshot using time travel, and that snapshots can be later on used to restore the data. For example, we want to create the snapshot of this table 50 minutes back. Now, first let's check how the data is there 50 minutes back. This one. Let's run it. There was three records in it. So let's create the snapshot. Create snapshot table. Create snapshot table data set student table. Then backup. Clone student table for system. Let me copy this. For system time as timestamp. Let's run it. So this creates a snapshot now. Now we can query the snapshot here. Select star from dot student backup Let's run it. "50 minutes back data will be given." So now let me drop the table student. So if I drop the table, the table is dropped. So when I check it here, there will be no table. You can see here was not found. So but now by using this backup, using the snapshot, I can restore the table. Let me do it. Create table student, clone data, the student table, backup. So by creating table with the backup, table will be created. So by running this, we can see the table we got back. So for now, this way the snapshot works. Let's query this before 50 minutes. Query this line. There was no table found. Reason is because 50 minutes back, remember we dropped this table and recreated just now, so it is giving error. This is all about the time travel. Purpose of time travel is to travel back in time and use a snapshot of the table data at any point of time during that particular timestamp. So by this we can backup restore the data if required.